Hello Achievers, welcome you all to Shakti's Knowledge Hub, myself Dr. Shakti Subramanian. In our today's video, we are going to have a discussion about the new subject called the financial management. In the functional areas of management, we have seen that the management is a concept which will be applicable to use in different areas or different streams, even for our personal life. Likewise, we have seen so many different areas. So in that way, one of the important area where in business point of view as well as for the individual point of view, how the financial management, that is how the management is a concept which will be very useful in the financial aspect. So this is what we are going to discuss in this particular subject, and this subject is matching to all the streams starting from your schoolings like the commerce background of state board courses as well as for the CBSE and the UG degrees like BCom, BBA, BBM, all related courses, and also for the masters like MBA or MCom and so many other related courses and the subjects. So this financial management is about the complete information or the complete detail which is about the finance requirement for the business, starting from the opening of your business. Like when you're starting your business, you need some fund as a investment. So starting from investment till closing, there are so many things to be learned and to know. So all this thing will be covering under the subject called financial management, and this is one of a specialization in MBA like finance specialization. So you'll be doing some of the projects related to that, and even for MPhil, PhD. So starting from MBA or your masters, you will have a separate track which is related to financial management. Under this, we have so many other subjects like security analysis and portfolio management, financial markets, and so many other streams like your share market, whatever the things you are learning or you have heard in your general, everything will be covering under this, and have so many other subjects which is related to the financial aspects like the capital marketing and also the financial thing, budgeting. A lot of things is there, working capital management. All these terms you have heard in a simple way, and these things will have an outline and have some ideas in this subject, and in your future or in a higher specialization, these things, that is this thing whatever I have listed like working capital management, capital budgeting, then financial marketing, all this thing will be coming as a separate subject. So under that you will have some of the calculations, like some papers will be like calculative papers and some may be some theoretical point of view. Everything is available, and we are going to see each and everything in detail. And about this subject, I want to mention one subscriber's name, Brahadishwar. He preferred about this subject, as he want to learn more about the financial management. And Brahadishwar, this is for you and for all the other people, those who are really interested to learn and to know about the subject and terminologies and different concepts related to financial management. So in this new start of this subject, we thought of bringing you, and also we already promised that we will try to bring all the aspects whichever we are studying in a practical way. So in that start, we thought of showing you some of the dollars. In India, we have rupees like notes and coins. We have seen like the currencies and all. So since we are in US, we thought of showing you some of the currencies or bills which will be available and which is in use in USA, that is in United States, like starting from $100 till the small cents. So we thought of showing you each and everything in detail and its money value which is equivalent to India and some other countries, so that you can see, if you are seeing means you will get some idea. So in this particular video, we are going to see about the basic introduction about the subject financial management and the US dollars and the coins. What are the different dollars available and what is its value for different countries, and also what are the different coins available and what its value for, that is its actual value comparatively to the other countries or our country. So this is what we are going to see in this video. Okay friends, let's see the dollars, and that is the different currencies and its value in different country as well as for India. So in that, the first I'm going to show is the $1 currency. In the $1 currency, the picture is about the Washington, and here you can see all the symbols and all the other details which I have mentioned in this. And this is the back side of the $1 American currency. Let's see its values. So here I have taken the today's value, that is March 13, 2021. According to this date, let's see what are the values for each and every currency. So here I have just taken the 5 different currency values, which is based on the different countries. If you are taking this $1, that is the $1 of US $1, the value of Indian rupee is 72.69 paisa. That is 72 rupees and 69 paisa. $1 is equal to 72 rupees and 69 paisa based on the Indian value. And in case of the pound or euro, its value is like 0.84, that is less than $1. So compared to US dollar, the pound or euro is less. Likewise, Japanese yen. So for $1, as like 72.69 for Indian rupee, the Japanese yen is 108, that is 108.98. This is the value for Japanese yen, which is equivalent to $1. And the another example is Iraqi dinar. So for $1 US, the Iraqi dinar value is 1462.50, and this is what the value for the different countries and the different currency values. Just for an example, I have taken these things. And if you are taking the dollars, the names like dollars or rupee or euro or pound, yen or dinar, these will be followed by the different countries and their values also will be getting differed. That's why everywhere it will be mentioned clearly, like US dollars, Indian rupees, like Iraqi dinar, Japanese yen. So each and every country, that is different country, will follow the same currency names. That is, if in case of yen, that will be followed by some different countries. In case of dinar, so many countries will follow the name called dinar. Even the rupees will also the currency name which will be used in different countries. So this is what the value for March 13, 2021's value for US dollar and the other countries and its value. And 1 Indian rupee is equal to 0.014 US dollar. So here we have compared in this angle, that is for $1 it is 72.69 cents. In opposite, if you want to tell like for 1 rupee what is the US value, it means this is 0.014 US dollar. That is very less compared to the US dollar. So this is $1. And let me show you some of the other currencies which is available in hand with us. Like the different currencies using in US is 100, 50, 20, 10, 5, 2 and 1. If you're taking in India, like 2000 is there, 100, 500, 50, 20, 10, 5, so many currencies are there. Like previously we have 5, 2 and 1, now it is not there in existence. So instead we have introduced with some of the coins as for the value which is equivalent to 1, 2 and 5 and all. And in case of US currencies, they are following only these 7 varieties of currencies like 100, 50, 20, 10, 5, 2 and 1. This is the $100. Hope you can see this by visibly. Franklin's face was mentioned in this dollar and the back side $100. And its value for Indian money is 7,269. So this $100 bill is equivalent to Indian value of rupees 7,269 rupees. And if you are taking the other bills like 50, if you are able to find the 50 and 2, so these two we didn't have in hand now, and I'll show you in some other video. And the other one is $20. So this $20 is with the name of Jackson, and here you can calculate this $20 into like the 72.69 rupees, that Indian value. And the next is $10. So this is $10. So the image is with Hamilton. And the next currency is 5. Abraham Lincoln's image is in the $5 bill, the front page of the bill, and the back page of $5. So here you can see the values in each and every currency. So they used to mention in the back side with the small letters, like for 10 they have mentioned something like this, and for 5, 05. And 2 is not in hand. And the final one is the $1, which I have shown you in the beginning. So this is the $1 currency. So this will looks different compared to the other dollars. I'm telling about the back side. And the best part about this currencies is all the currency will be like in the same size. If you are taking the 1, 5 and the 2 is not there, 1, 5, 10, then 20 and 100. In the middle 50 is there. So if you are taking the currencies, all will be in the same size. Our country, we could see the differences in size of each and every currency, and here everything is same. It look very similar in size of all the currencies, like 100 to $1. I'll show you again. $1, 5, this is 10, 20 and 100. I'll show 50 and 2 in some other video. And now we are going to see the coins which is using in the United States. So this coins, that value will be called as the cents. The symbol of US dollar is this one, like S. So hope you all know about this. And this is the Indian rupee as a symbol. So this is the symbol for dollar, and likewise for coins, and this is so called as cents. It's like C, and they'll make it like this. So here they have a current coins like 1, 5, 10, 25, 50 and 1. So the name of each and every currency and its value is mentioned here. The first is penny, that is 1 cent. 1 cent is equivalent to the value of $0.01. That is like in India how we are telling that paisas, which is less than 1 rupee, will be like 50 paisa, 20 paisa. We used to call it as paisa. So here they used to call it as cent. So 1 cent in singular, that is cent. This is the coin of cent. So this is called as penny. So this will looks like a copper one. And just like in Indian coins, the heads will be looking different in different coins, and some will be similar. And this is what 1 cent. So you can calculate the value of 1 cent. And the next is 5 cent. That is 5 cents, which is the value of $0.05. And this is called as nickel. The other side. And the third is dime. So this is called as dime, so which is the value of 10 cents. So $0.10, and this is called as dime. And this coin will looks very smaller compared to the other coin. So this is 1 dime, and its value is equal to 10 cents. Like 10 paisa. 10 paisa coin like India. And the fourth is the quarter dollar, that is like 25 cents, and this is what the coin of 25 cents. That is quarter dollar. They used to mention it like quarter dollars. And for half dollar and dollar, we couldn't find anywhere. Even we didn't see anywhere as of now. If we able to find any of these coins, let us show in the other video with the 50 and $2 notes. That is the currency. So hope you got some idea about the US dollars and currencies and its value compared to our country. That is compared to India and the other countries. If you are seeing Shakti's Knowledge Hub for the first time, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the future notification. We'll come up with all the new concepts and subjects. If you have any clarifications or you want to know more or about this subject or some other details which is related to your studies or career, please let us know in the comment box or maybe the mail ID which we have given in the about page. We'll come with the next video soon, and shatter the breakbends and relish your success journey. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day. Bye.